It was always about the outcome. OpenAI got caught running a hiring process it never intended to lose. The rule is simple. Before a company sponsors a foreign worker for a green card, it has to prove no qualified American wanted the job first. Post it, take applications, show your work. The process exists, so the easy path doesn't happen quietly. Hire who you already picked, paper it over after. OpenAI ran the process. It just made sure the paperwork would win. Every applicant who wasn't a US citizen got the version of the process built for someone who might actually get the job. Every other applicant could apply online. Same day, same click. American citizens applying for those specific positions had to print something out and mail it in. The Department of Justice caught the gap and named it. OpenAI settled the case rather than challenge the finding. This isn't a company that failed to find good candidates. Companies that fail to find good candidates leave the door open and hope somebody good walks through. OpenAI built a door that worked for everyone except the people the door was legally required to test. That's not an accident. Accidents don't apply themselves consistently to one group of applicants for one type of position. Someone decided the male requirement solved a problem. And the problem wasn't, how do we find American talent? It was, how do we finish this process with the outcome we started with? The company that says it's building AI to serve humanity ran a process that made sure one category of humans couldn't compete for the job of building it. Not humanity in the abstract, but the actual Americans the sponsorship rule was written to protect first. Nobody at OpenAI will call this discrimination. They'll call it a paperwork inconsistency. Quietly settled, quietly closed. That's the tell. An honest mistake gets fixed and explained. Getting caught gets fixed and left unexplained. The settlement isn't OpenAI admitting fault. It's OpenAI paying to stop the DOJ from finishing the sentence. A company confident it did nothing wrong doesn't pay to make an investigation end early. OpenAI wanted credit for running a fair process. It built one that looked fair from a distance and produced the opposite result up close. And it bet nobody would check the mail.